Hey everyone, today I will be teaching you how to make a basic wire wrapped ring. Before we start, here's some of the materials we'll need. A mandrel, this one goes up to 15. A basic 12-inch ruler. .20 gauge round copper. An 8mm amethyst bead. Flush cutters. Round nose pliers. And nylon jaw pliers. First, we'll start by taking the 20 gauge round wire and your nylon jaw pliers, and we're just going to straighten the wire as straight as we can. Alright, now we're going to make this wire 8 inches because the ring is 7.5. But you can cut it however long you want, just depending on what size ring you have. Take your flush cutters and just cut it at the 8-inch mark. There we have our 8-inch wire. Now I'm going to take the amethyst 8mm bead, the round copper wire, and the mandrel, and we're going to begin making the ring. So first we're going to take the round copper wire and we're going to take the bead and put it on the wire towards the center of the wire. Now we'll take our mandrel and we will go to the size which we are going to use, 7.5. We're going to cross the bottom wire towards the right and the top one towards the left, like this. And we're going to go back to the other side of the mandrel where the bead is. You're just going to cross the bottom to the right and the top to the left. Just like that, and then you're just going to take it off. Now we will begin wrapping the wires around each other. You want to make sure that the wire stays underneath the wire you are wrapping around when you go around the bead, like this. To lock it in now, we are going to wrap the wire around the ring band on both sides, just once. Then we'll take our round nose pliers, just kind of lock it in a little more, and you can wrap the wire around as many times as desired. On this one I decided to do 3 times on one side and 2 on the other. You will then take your flush cutters and just cut really close to the middle so it doesn't snag on anything like clothing. Then we're going to take your round nose pliers and go ahead and flatten that to avoid any snagging. And you'll go Push it down the other side as well. There you have it. Here's the wire wrapped amethyst ring. Thank you for watching. And if you would like to check out some of the designs I've created, search dynamic_silvery on Instagram.